Hi guys, so for this video I'll be using crochet hook in size 5mm and yarn in size 4 medium, but I'll be using yarn in 2 different colors. So I'll start by making a slip knot. Now I'll chain 6. Now on the last chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. So now that we have created this loop for row 1, I'll chain 3. Now right after that loop we need to make 12 double crochets. This 3 chain already counts as 1. So now that we've made 12 double crochets, right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now for row 2, I'll use yarn in different color. Now right there, through that same chain, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3. Now through that same chain, I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain, I'll make 2 double crochet. Through the next chain, again 2 double crochet. So we'll continue making 2 double crochet through each chain throughout row 2. So remember, for row 1 we had 12 double crochets, and for row 2 we are making 2 double crochets through each chain. So by the end of row 2 we should have 24 double crochet. So now to finish row 2, right here through this 3rd chain, I'll make a slip stitch. So this, and now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. And now for row 3, so for row 3 we'll skip this first double crochet chain, and through a second double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3. Now right after that same chain I'll make 2 more double crochet. Now right after that same front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Now I'll skip the next double crochet chain, and through the next chain I'll make 2 double crochet through the same chain. Through the same front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. I'll skip this next double crochet chain, and through a second double crochet chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Then through the same front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Again I'll skip this next chain, and through a second chain I'll make 2 double crochet. Now through the same chain, so front post double crochet, I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Again, I'll skip this next double crochet chain, and through the second double crochet chain I'll make 2 double crochet through the same chain. Now again, through the front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. So you repeat this throughout row 3. Now to finish row 3, right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Again, now I'll use yarn in different color for row 4. Now you see here, right here through this chain, we skip this first 2 double crochet chains, and through this front post double crochet chain I insert my hook, and I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3. Now through that same chain I'll make 2 more double crochet, so we have 3 double crochets in total. And right here through this front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. I'll skip these next 2 chains, and through this third front post double crochet chain I'll make 3 double crochet. Now through this front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. I'll skip these next 2 chains. Through this third chain right there through the front post double crochet I'll make 3 double crochet. Again, through that front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. I'll skip the next 2 double crochet chains, and through this third double crochet chain, which is a front post double crochet, I'll make 3 double crochet. Then through the front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 4. So now to finish row 4, right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, and then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 4. Now for row 5 again I'll use yarn in different color. And now I'll skip these next 3 double crochet chains, and right here through this 4th double crochet chain, which is actually a front post double crochet, I'll insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3. Now right there through that loop we need to make 4 double crochets, and this 3 chain already counts as 1, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now through that front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Again I'll skip these next 3 chains, and through this 4th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 4 double crochet. Then through that front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Again I'll skip these next 3 double crochet chains, and through this 4th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 4 double crochet. Again, now I'll make 1 front post double crochet through that front post double crochet. Skip the next 3 double crochet chains, and through this 4th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 4 double crochet through the same chain. Now through the front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. So we repeat this throughout row 5. Now to finish row 5, right here through this 3rd chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 5. Now for row 6 I'll use yarn in different color, and now I'll skip this first 4 double crochets, and right here to this 5th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I insert my hook and I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I will chain 3, then through the same chain I will make 4 double crochet, and this one already counts as 1, so 2, 3, 4. Actually, let's try this. Through this front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Now I'll chain 1, again I'll skip these next 4 double crochet chains, and through this 5th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 4 double crochet. Through the front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Again I'll chain 1, I'll skip these next 4 chains, and through this 5th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 4 double crochet. Then right there through that front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Again I'll chain 1, I'll skip these next 4 chains, and through this 5th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 4 double crochet. Then through the same chain I'll make 1 front post double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 6. Yep. Oh, now to finish row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right here through this 3rd double crochet chain I'll make 1 slip stitch, and I'll chain 1 and cut this yarn. I think if you want your hat to be smaller, you can just repeat row 6 from now on, but I kind of want it to be a bit bigger, so I want to make 1 more row of increases. So I'll use yarn in different color. Yeah, I think for row 7, for row 7 I think that's what I'll do. I'll increase it as the last row and then just repeat it. So yeah, I'm using yarn in different color. Now I'll skip these next 4 double crochet chains, and right here to this 5th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I insert my hook, then I insert my hook to a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3. Now right there through that same chain I'll make 5 double crochet. This 3 chain already counts as 1, so 1, and now right there through that front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Again I'll skip this next, actually it's chain 1, I'll skip these next 4 double crochet chains, and through this 5th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 5 double crochet. Then through that same front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Now again chain 1, I'll skip these next 4 chains, and through this 5th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 5 double crochet. Now through the front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. Again I'll chain 1, skip the next 4 chains, and through this 5th chain, which is our front post double crochet, I'll make 5 double crochet. Then through the same front post double crochet I'll make 1 front post double crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 7. So now to finish row 7, I'll chain 1, then right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So let's see. So it measures around 8 inches so far. So we repeat row 7. I don't know for how many rows, but let me see. Let me just mark it. Still gonna alternate colors after each row, but let's see for how long we repeat row 7. I'll come back and I'll show you guys. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we repeat row 7 until we have 17 rows in total. Now you can wear this hat as it is, just like it looks now, but I want to make one more row of single crochets, so we'll maybe have double crochets, or I'm not sure. Let's see, try single crochets so it doesn't, you know, the hat doesn't roll over. This last row doesn't roll over. But you don't have to necessarily make this last row. I just want to be on the safe side. So right here, through this one chain loop, I insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 1, then through the same one chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Now through his next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Through his next 6. Well, what if I don't make? Well, through his next 6 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this one chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next 6 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this one chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. Through his next 6 double crochet chains, I'll make 1 single crochet through each chain. Through this one chain loop, I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout this row 38, and this will be our last row. So now to finish row 18, right here through this first single crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So it's 8.5 inches long, and the widest part is like around 9 inches wide, but it's also stretchy. I actually like how it turned out.